Bestie, I'm trying to fold that laundry, girl. Girl, I don't want to be doing this laundry either. Honey, you've been messing up my piles, throwing toys around. Now you're kicking the pasta. Pasta, laundry. Wow, I just got a text saying the kids want pasta for dinner. And this little girl, with her little kitty toys, I don't want to play, girl. It's not temper. Oh, no, girl. Don't do it, girl. No, girl, don't do it. Your drama's too much. I just want to get the laundry done, girl. I just want it. You're messing up my piles. You're in trouble, girl. Not a bad attitude. Girl, it's not all about you. Hey, it's not all about you, bestie. It's not all about you, bestie. Honey, don't do it, girl. Don't mess up my piles, girl. She's throwing her thing. Don't do it, girl. Sweetheart, I think we're done here. Yeah, I think we're done.